Hello, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera, and in this video we're going to learn how to do everyone's favorite operation, which is division. Okay, my friends, so how do we perform division? I like to perform my division like if I'm a 6-year-old, and this is what I like to do. I like to take the first number and see if I can put it inside of the first number in here. And if it doesn't fit inside of the first number, then I borrow or I take the second number and I combine these two and see if my number outside can go inside of these two numbers in here. In this case, I'm in luck with this problem. I'm going to take the 7 first. Can the 7 go inside of the 7? Yes. How many times? 1 time. I'm going to put my 1 in here, and I'm going to put it right on top of this 7 because this is the number that I'm engaging with, and I like to keep my numbers aligned and tidy. Do I have to align my numbers on division? No, I don't. I can write my 1 right here for all I care, as long as I know which number I'm working with here inside of the division house. But, you know, I don't have to, but I will because I like to keep my numbers organized and tidy. 1 times 7 is equals to 7. 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. And I'm going to bring down the 3. Okay? Bringing down the 3. Now, can the 7 go inside of the 3? No, it cannot. So I'm going to bring down the next number now. Okay? Because it cannot go inside of the 3. So I'm going to bring the 5 right here. Very nice. Now, this is the last number that I'm engaging with. So I skip one space right here. Okay? So what do? What do we do with empty spaces? We add a 0. So I'm going to add a 0 right here. Okay? Because this is where I'm going to write the 7 goes into the 35. How many times? 5. So the 5, I'm going to put this 5 on top of this 5 right here because this is the last number that I'm engaging with. And 35, okay, 35 minus 35 is equals to 0. But then I have to put a number right here. I have to put something on this empty space. So that empty space will be 0. Okay, and this is the result for this division. Okay, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Now, let us go into our next problem. In our next problem right here, I'm going to take the 15, see if it will go inside of these 2 right here. Would it go inside of these 2? No. So I'm going to take the next digit, the other 2. So we're going to turn this into a 22 now. Can this 15 goes inside of the 22? Yes, it can. How many times? 1 time. So I'm going to put my 1 right here in front of this, on top of these 2 right here. 1 times 15 is equals to 15. 22 minus 15 is equals to 7. And I'm going to bring down the 5. Very nice. Now, can the 15 go into the 75? Yes. How many times? 5 times. So I'm going to put the 5 right here, 5 times on top of this 5 right here because this is the last number that I'm engaging with. 5 times 15 is equals to 75. 75 minus 75 is equals to 0. And we are done with our division. And this is the way, my friends, we solve for divisions. Now, in different parts of the country, in different well, not the country, United States, but in different parts of the world, and different cultures, we have different ways to do division. But, you know, by any means, my friends, if you already have a way that is easier for you to do your divisions, please do it that way. I'm just trying to show you the way that works for me. But in math, in division, especially math, there's like 5 different ways to get to the same result. So do whichever way is best for you and whichever way works for you and it gets you to the correct result. You do you, boo. You do you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in our next lesson. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.